What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You don't know you're watching Life with MTK. So guys, today we are about to do a gender reveal. So me come up with my own little unique way of revealing the baby's gender. Alright, so this is my little makeup kit. Rick here is going to do my makeup. Yeah, go do it. And make sure my face look flawless when time you finish and me can go to road.
If you're there, madam.
You get me? Alright. So, me have couple little makeup because I'm not a really big makeup fan. So, me not have no whole heap of makeup business. Me just have a couple makeup here. So, I'm going to put on my makeup for me and then the lips will reveal the gender. So, you won't see when he put the lip colors on. The lips will reveal the gender. So, well, originally me never had a plan to do the gender reveal this way, you know. Me tell me sister, me give me sister the gender, so we could have a official gender reveal, and she gave herself away. So me just say, alright then, me I go just do it another way, and this idea just came to mind. So this is how I'm going to do it. So alright, this is the eyeshadow. I have lip color in there as well, and blush and all of them something there. Yeah. So me I go see if he know if he use makeup.
Yeah, me I put on makeup.
This is Black Opal foundation. As me say, me not have no whole heap of different makeup. I have concealer. I have my face powder dirty. I have face powder.
Powder, not powder.
Face powder. So me chat bad man show. Alright. So me I go just show him step by step what him I go do. Alright, so
So me pour left.
first thing is the eyebrows. So you're going to make me some nice cute eyebrows with this brown makeup pencil. Okay? Make sure so me can go down a road after me done, you know. Alright. One.
You ready?
Yes man, I'm ready.
I was there when I needed someone who wasn't getting over you. When I moved to the side, when I moved, call you mine, and I know what you're feeling. I'ma take it for a ride, let me take it.
Oh, so guys just rate him in the comments, let me know what you think when time is finish.
I was there when I needed someone who wasn't getting over you. When I moved to the side, when I moved, call you mine, and I know what you're feeling. I'ma take it for a ride, let me take it off your mind, cause you know it's a season. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride. And I move, and I move when yeah. I get so tired of making me take.
Guys, me not even turn on in the camera for no see it yet, you know. Till it finish. Me stay sideways cause
Where is the avocado?
alright, eyebrow finish. Next is the foundation next.
You say avocado?
Yes. And you use this to to blend it in the skin, okay?
How is this thing?
Let's see. Oh my God. Hello, you have to do it good that the people them can say. Yeah man, he do a good job. You can get a lot of work too. You can stay there.
That's why everybody.
Do so wedding makeup and then something there. Then people then go married. Guys, look how him a do good. Look how him just look how him what you call what you do you so?
No, that's spotty.
What?
Yeah, BS on here. So I never clue what I do. At first I do the machine.
You see that big forehead there? And my fat nose. Make sure so when time you make up done, you know, see them, you know.
And then I'm going to see your nose
you're going to see it, but you're going to make everything look seamless and perfect, you know. That is what makeup does, you know. Change the shape of your nose and all of them things there.
You don't know, makeup can't pretty.
Is that so?
Makeup can't make it pretty, you don't know.
Mm-hmm.
So, but I will take makeup and put it on your face. Right? So,
True, me know say me pretty already, that's why I don't really wear makeup. So boy. You have to kind of blend it under these parts, you know, so it look.
I'm better of it, man.
No, like you're a professional, I'm not tell you nothing. Hmm?
Should I put on some more?
You want more? If you want more, put more there.
Yes,
Oh, you have a bad pan. You ever put it on somebody before? Who?
Your mother.
Really? You put on a mother makeup already? You know something when you do then, man. It's not like you don't know nothing.
Put on if you go to church, huh?
Really? Me back said was like a lipstick and she beg you put on
Awesome.
some lip or something.
How's that? Facial me give her.
No, sir. So that means that my makeup are going to look good when me done. Oh, Jesus. No bother worry.
Oh my God.
So you know what next to do then? Since as you...
I never remember because actually God give me a name said if you put on.
Your mother trust your door. You
Yeah.
trying to make up figure at church.
I don't trust me now.
I ain't going anywhere. We're just trying to reveal the gender. Like under the eyes or up here, so I don't even know.
I know, yeah, if you go. So enough rub under the blazer.
I can put little under here.
I know you have to me now I'll go pumpkin ivy.
I'll teach you a new skill. When me not know myself. You don't do around the corners with the concealer, you kind of get in between.
I do like a hair on me. Style for that. Georgia, Rastafari. So I'll come here if you're not busy. Come here if you're not busy, sir. I put on the fast because I want to be. Awesome, I know your mom. So, people, they might just have time still are patient.
Then job.
If I did female job this boy, people face should have spoiled every day or every time they go up on a Okay, John.
You do get no work.
I'll go for an interview. An interview you go plan later.
Yes, man, now you're going to interview me.
And I'm here people then. Anyway, yeah, go. Kind of look good still on your face, look. And you don't it still. No, so, it looks so bad. You can give me about 90 or 100.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
So you're going good?
I was there when needed someone, wasn't getting over you. When I move to the side, when I move, call you mine, and I know what you're feeling. I'ma take you for a ride, let me take it off your mind, cause you know it's a secret.
Alright, so next I have the eyeshadow palette. So I go put on something over the eyes. You can maybe use two color. One color right over the lid and then one next color up here. So you know which color you want to use.
So any side,
You just use. And
which I don't know so how much.
no, this is lip color up here.
So by me touching that, so you come up. They say one at bottom and one at top.
Yeah, do your work still, you know, you must know.
I was there when needed someone, wasn't getting over you. When I move to the side, when I move, call you mine, and I know what you're feeling. I'ma take you for a ride, let me take it off your mind, cause you know it's a season. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move when yeah. I get so tired of making me take a night, predicting it's all that I'll do cause of you. I let you show, don't let you in on my life. I tell you the things that you need to know. I know you like that, I know you need that. The way you're moving your body, don't need your feedback. I know it makes sense, don't know I play pretend. I guess that seasons change.
You can't come out good still, but they are the other good thing, yeah.
Somebody can hire you in time you're done.
And I like the hire me still, because like you could job still. I pay my bill.
Yes, man.
Now go look good, too good still now.
You're right. Let the people decide.
Now go look too good still.
Let them decide.
You see what I'm doing?
Let them decide.
Alright, that done now still.
Part you're finished.
Yeah.
Alright, so.
What me I put on the bottom now?
Oh, you blind me. I don't put no pencil under my eye. And guys, I not make him put on no lashes because I don't want him blind me. So I go leave the eyelash out. So this is the alright, I would say the last touch, but the lipstick will be the last, and you won't see when he put that on. So this is the face powder, and you're just going to try and blend in whatever with this and let my face look flawless.
Oh yeah. So just keep down the whole of the cup. Niceness there.
Just kind of keep it cool.
I was even innocent to it. You see me I go on. I go on and on. I want to go make you put on makeup. Are you see so? Look how you feel, so bad.
Are you there? You see you can't put on makeup, you know?
No, but for our first meeting, we could have put on it, but
Okay.
I shower ranking pan it. Yeah, rank, see? Two different colors we should put over here. One pan aside and one pan. We ain't put nothing else. We ain't put nothing in the basement there.
We left out somebody's face.
Oh, Jesus. How you feel by your face? Your face,
Alright.
your face not feel stiff up.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, feel normal.
I know me, I agree with you. For me, go and go sleep. Don't look at me. I do foolishness.
Guys, a long time you know see we face, but it ugly, no easy. Long time, it's been a while.
And the hair black, you know.
That's why you use the concealer there to get those parts. What's wrong with you? So you leave under my eyes black same way. And you say you know you put on makeup.
I watch you never done with your hair good.
Oh really?
Mm. People are gonna laugh tonight. When all this makeup you done, brother. People are gonna dead. People are gonna die. And that the shadow me that put on the first one, man, like a eye. It's just there, so. With the eye wide up, now look up on my face, man, I am.
So when you hit me, look up at your face.
Like that. So
Really?
look up on your face.
Mm-mm.
Think we finish now still.
Alright, so it's time for the lipstick. Oh,
Rice now put
yeah,
on.
me not even make you put on no blush pan this something. Say me not used to makeup too. Whatever.
Probably that put on blush.
Like here, so give it a little.
Shine,
Oomph.
like a buff up. Like you know, a buff car. Why is it put on?
Guys, me not turn round.
Why is it put on? What a face. Like you want something else.
Nothing else is
So,
there.
me just say, me cannot give me something good under me to
That is the
same pencil.
pencil. I'm not going to joke me.
I'm not joking, man. I'm not joking. That too wicked to go and joke here.
I know we kid. You just go.
I'm not joking here.
Not even me no put on makeup under my eyes.
I'm not joking here.
I know they see you mad like a.
How way?
You put on that something there, yeah.
How we probably put it?
Where you mark on there?
So we probably
Where you go mark? It have to go pan the part there where they right here, so.
No,
That's
so
why
then-
me know why you. Oh Jesus, you're so rough. You have mashed up my things already.
So, you know, where you see me?
I don't know when it's party. Alright, so time for the lip gloss. The lipstick. It is time for the reveal. Are you ready? Jesus. I'm afraid to look for myself.
You know, if you look. Shake your eye.
Afraid to look. Alright guys, so remember the lip color will be
Blacked out.
no. The lip color will be the gender
The
reveal. Okay, are you ready? Drum roll, Rick. Drum roll. Are you ready?
Bam! Doom, 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 doom. Let's go. You know I love this.
Jesus! Oh my! It is pink. Wait. So it is a girl. You look more like red in the camera though, right? Look. Look red.
Hey, but a pink.
It is a pink lipstick. Like a bright pink. So guys, how did he do with the makeup? Look there. Look here, so. Look on my mouth. Look on the eyebrow, well.
Should I come
there.
there over some more?
Quite bright. My face is glowing. The light hit my face, so it look kind of glassy.
So you can go out tonight.
I'll go down the road to ask the people them how you do.
No, sir.
Why not?
Try wash off it.
Yes, guys, so it is a girl. That is the whole point for this makeup thingy. This is just an idea that came to me, so kind of unique. Me not see nobody else do it that way here.
Should have one next review.
Nobody else. Me look cute though. Oh God, all when I don't put on my makeup good, me pretty. Want me lick them?
I'm sure.
I'm so nice. I'm so nice. So guys, a long time you not see me. Me show no my body. Show no what go on for me. See it there.
Right, there, so.
The pumpkin there, it'll grow nicely. Coming on.
Right, there, so.
Yep. Yes, guys. So everybody across me say them not see me how long, so me just decide to do a little video for the viewers. I'm so sorry to whatever. Me gone for a long time, so sorry about that, guys.
It played out, you know?
So thank you guys so much for always supporting, always watching my videos. Thank you so much. It is well appreciated. Man, me just hey, you put on me makeup like what me look like? Del Cita or something. Me look like one of them people there.
Del Cita now looks so.
Me should have put on some black teeth too. Del Cita always put on some black
Del
teeth.
Cita, pretty girl for you. Del Cita, pretty.
Me not bother with you, you know. Guys, remember to hit your subscribe button, turn on your post notification, leave a comment down below and share this video, please. Thank you for watching. Peace out.